Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vickie.
We're with the Carolina Travel Channel right here. And we are here in Raleigh, North Carolina. And we're going to find some trolls. Supposedly there's 7 in North Carolina. And we're at one spot that should have 5 of them. We're going to try to find them. And then we'll have 2 other ones to do. And one in High Point, North Carolina. And one in, where's the other one? Charlotte, North Carolina.
Yeah.
So follow along. Let's find these things. This will be neat. We're on a scavenger hunt, is what I'm saying. So somewhere out in here is some trolls. Now the story of this is there's a guy in Denmark. He builds these things. He's an artist. Builds them out of old scrap wood and what have you. And once he's done with them, for whatever reason he builds them, he finds a home for them. So we're gonna go see if we can't find one. That thing's humongous. Can't take her anywhere.
That is cool.
Which one was that called? Check him out. Now that's cool. Artist in Denmark made these.
Huh? Oh, there he is.
Did you find him?
Yeah.
Oh, watch your head.
See?
No.
So they're sitting in the woods.
Oh, there he is.
See?
Yeah.
So is a secret. You can come if you can keep it. Swear to never speak it, eat it, never to repeat it. One troll is in Charlotte, 1 in High Point, 5 in Dix Park. 7 secret symbols on the troll.
Oh, I haven't seen a picture of this one yet.
I have one. Because it's Jack.
All right, hold on, back up.
They're so Why did
We found it. We found the troll in High Point. We're working our way there. We ain't seen it yet, but we know where it is. So come along this way and we'll show you the troll here in High Point. Sally? Is it Miss Sally?
I don't know
I think
what the name
she found
is.
it. We did. I didn't. I got lost. But give us a few minutes and we'll show it to you. Right?
Yep.
All right. There's an old building sitting back in the woods. Oh, there's a lot of people in line. They beat us. Oh, here it is right here. See it? So we found it. There she is, Miss Sally. We are here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We found our last troll. His name is, what's his name?
Big Pete with big feet.
That's right, Big Pete with big feet. And once we find this one, there's a clue on every one of these. And once you find the clues, you go to Thomas Dambo's website and punch these clues in, all 7 of them, and you'll win a secret surprise. And then we have to go find, what's that one called?
Grandma tree.
The grandma tree. And that'll be our adventure for North Carolina. But we ain't done there. You know, we don't give up easy, do we?
No.
So there's more out there, and we might have to go find them. We'll see. But here we go. We're walking up to
Big
Big
Pete with
Pete.
feet.
Some famous artist, he made this. He cut up all the wood and put it together. You know how you put things together? Well, because that's just his hair. Yeah.
Look at his big face.
Now that's a big foot.
That's a big foot.
And in this video, we're going to show you the final outcome of the trolls here in North Carolina. and we found her. So just stick along and we'll show you what we found, right?
Yep.
All right, let's go. We found the grandmother tree. We will not tell nobody where it is. We did it, dear.
We did it.
Keep her safe. We had made it here in Asheville, North Carolina to find the trolls. There are 12 of them.
Oh, what's that?
In the field, the middle.
I'll go.
This one's really cute.
Can't take her anywhere. Like,
Now let's see if I can get out.
Little, what? Little nut.
Look at the big old flowers.
Yeah, look at them. This place looked cool at nighttime, I bet.
Yeah, I bet it would. Maybe before it goes away, we'll come back and.
Oh, there he is. There's one. Ah, somebody stuck.
Oh, here's the plaque. Big nut.
That's you.
No, you're the big nut.
We're going down to sell. We're going to sell.
Oh my goodness. Maybe they trying to take a picture.
Are we going to crawl in this cage? Amen. Human. How to track it.
Hey guys, well, we did it. We've seen all the trolls in North Carolina, so guess what we got? I told you we are going to show you something. Check it out. We found all the trolls in North Carolina, so we got one.
Look at the back.
Turn around. It's got all the trolls on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to Carolina Travel Channel. So you all have a great day, and let's go home.
That